Well, uh, performing my duties, there's a lot of individuals that I work with who are, let's just call them challenging. And sometimes I found myself becoming frustrated, upset with them, and just not not really doing my best. Also, last fall, I applied for a position as a manager, and well, I didn't get it. So, but that's kind of where it was coming from, trying to deal with the more difficult subordinates and trying to get myself up to management level. Well, probably the biggest result is a lot of these subordinates of mine were noticing a difference. They were noticing me being more cheerful with them, a lot more patient with them, and uh, just sort of almost a reverse. I'm kind of become the go-to guy. They would rather talk to me than my two partners. Just so it's definitely may had an effect on that. I find myself realizing that they've got their own challenges in their lives where they're coming from, and it doesn't affect them as a person, and they deserve all the respect and all the help that I can give them. Well, like the way you ran the meetings, threw a little humor in there once in more than once in a while. It was pretty much part of the training itself, and being there to answer questions if we had any, and those posts you put in the chat room for the pod. It was all good and helpful stuff. And even I know I posted something one day that was feeling my frustrations, and the answers you gave me helped out. You got to give this training a try. It has definitely made huge differences, both personally and professionally. I find myself using the techniques in a lot of different situations that normally would have set me off. You'll find me doing a lot of rubbing two fingers together absent-mindedly just to connect um, the exercise with the state I'm trying to get to. So it's definitely worth doing. It'll make a difference in your life. I still work out in the gym every day, first right before I log on to my office, and so I'm ready to face the day. It's been a fascinating ride. It's one of those things that I came here a bit skeptically, but you know, try anything once, and well, it was worth the try, and definitely something to do to make your life better.